MacBook Wont Startup.
Okay, let's start. First, we'll go into the recovery mode, turn off Mac, then press Command and our keys, then power it on. After that, put your Wi-Fi with password and click the arrow key, then wait, it will download some files. After that, in recovery, first format your hard drive access disk utility, select your drive where you want to install or create partition, then erase. Once it's erased, close the disk utility and click Restore, select your drive. That you erased just before and click Install now. Wait, it'll download and install Mac. Now just follow the first screen name, etc. and that's all. After all done, just update your Mac. I am using Mac 2015, it'll update to Mac Montessori.